Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a St. Patrick's Day donut. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day donut, let's begin by drawing a circle. And I'm going to go ahead and trace this little circle paint palette right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a nice circle in the middle of my paper. If you don't have anything to trace, you can just draw a regular circle, but I thought I'd use this just to kind of make a nice one. Now, right inside of here, let's draw the center part of the circle. So I'm just going to go and make a little circle for the middle part of my donut. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make a wavy line that's just going to kind of go down and then back up to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down in here to kind of make my donut look three-dimensional. Now up here, I'm going to draw a circle for one eye on my donut. Then I'm going to draw another circle over here for the other eye. I'm going to make a small circle inside of here, coloring in most of it, leaving it just a tiny bit white. And then same thing in here. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Next, I'm going to make a line across for the mouth, and then a line that's going to go down and up. Make a line across for some teeth, and a little sad face for the tongue. And then we can go ahead and just color in this part for the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line right here at a diagonal. Then I'm going to go up, over, and then down to make a little hat. Let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down here. Then we'll make a little line across and two lines down for some detail on our hat. Now over here, we'll draw a little clover on here. So to start off with our clover, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down. We'll draw another one that's going to go out and then out and in here. And then we'll go out and then out and in. We'll just kind of bring it together. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go down, over, and then back up. Now, right on here, I'm going to make some sprinkles. We're going to make these look like gold coins. So we're just going to make some circles all around here. We're just going to kind of put these all over on our donut here. We're going to put one right over here. And we'll put one more here. Then we'll make a little curve shape on each one, just to kind of give them a little bit of that 3D look. So we're just going to make this little curve shape on each one. Then we can go ahead and add a couple little lines on here, just to make it look like they're little gold coins. So we're just going to put these little lines on there for that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little St. Patrick's Day donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.